This is Greg Jackson with the Risk Management Department here with today's Mitigation Minute. Today we're going to talk about swings. Swings are very popular with kids, so here are a few items to look at to ensure they can be used safely. The first item to look at is your swing seat. You should be looking to ensure there are no cracks or metal sticking out that could cut or injure the user. If you find any, the seats should be replaced. The second item to look at are the S-hooks and chain. You want to make sure the S-hooks are closed as much as possible to prevent any clothing from getting caught. You also want to make sure the chains are in good condition. If you have any chain links that are worn 50% or more, they need to be replaced or a new chain installed. Thirdly, you should inspect the swing hangers. Make sure the hangers are tight and secured. You will also want to make sure the hanger is not worn 50% or more. If they are, the hangers should also be replaced. Lastly, look at the surfacing material around the swings and directly under the swing seats. Under the swing seats is where we notice kids drag their feet and remove the surfacing material. If this has happened, you need to replace the surfacing material under the swings to help protect them in the event of a fall. This should be checked on a regular basis. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you have any additional questions regarding swings, please reach out to the Risk Management Department.